Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to take a quick look at a Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. We just got this boat in, so I'm happy to show it to you guys. We ordered it kind of unique. It's got great color scheme with the gray hull, black graphics, black rub rail. Pretty unique. I think it looks wonderful myself. I would love to have this boat. It's got the Mercury 40 4-stroke motor. 400 would be really fast. Moving forward, you do have the windscreen on this boat. You do have the bimini. There are some a la carte options available. You can get some different kind of seating if you want the bench seating, if you want the swivel seating. Give us a call. We can talk about what we can put in here for you. It does come with the trailer. You got the inside rub rail for safety. You got your anchor locker up here, and you got your navigation lights with the rope tie off. Great boat, typical whaler, bulletproof, lasts forever. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have in our inventory here at MarineMax of Huntington, please give us a call. You can be reached at 631-424-2710. My name is Josh, or any of our sales consultants will be happy to help you. Look forward to seeing you in the water.